Let's be real, 2026 is the year of the houseplant. The global indoor plant market hit $21.4 billion in 2025, and 66% of American households now own at least one plant. But with so many options out there, how do you know which ones are actually worth your time and money? Today, I'm breaking down 5 viral houseplants that are taking over American homes right now. From dramatic statement pieces to nearly unkillable greens, these are the plants experts say everyone is buying in 2026. Let's get into it. First up, the fiddle leaf fig. This plant has been an Instagram icon for years, but in 2026, it's getting a major revival. The National Garden Bureau has actually named the entire ficus family the Year of the Ficus for 2026, and the fiddle leaf fig is leading the charge. Here's what you need to know. This plant can grow up to 8 feet tall indoors, making it a serious statement piece. It loves bright, indirect light. Think near a south or east-facing window with a sheer curtain. Water it when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry, and keep it away from cold drafts. One pro tip, these plants are a little dramatic. They'll drop leaves if you move them too much. But once they settle in, they're incredibly resilient and can live for generations. If you want that high-end, designer look, this is your plant. Plant number 2 is the snake plant, and if you've ever killed a plant before, this one is for you. The moonshine variety is especially hot right now, with gorgeous silvery green leaves that look like modern art. What makes this plant amazing? It thrives on neglect. You literally only need to water it every 2 to 4 weeks when the soil is bone dry. And here's a cool fact. Unlike most plants, snake plants release oxygen at night, making them perfect for your bedroom. It adapts to almost any light condition, from low light to bright indirect light. It's the most low-maintenance houseplant you'll ever find. Just don't overwater it. That's the one way to kill the unkillable. Plant number 3 is pothose, also called devil's ivy. And trust me, it earned that name because it's nearly impossible to kill. In 2026, the silver satin and cebu blue varieties are trending huge. They offer shimmering, textured foliage that feels super luxe. This is one of the easiest houseplants to care for, making it the perfect option for beginners. Its trailing vines can spill gracefully from shelves, but you can also trim them for a bushier appearance. It tolerates mist waterings and adapts to various light conditions. One of the best things about pothose, it actually tells you when it needs water. The leaves will dramatically droop forward, then perk right back up after a drink. And if you want more plants, just snip a cutting, put it in water, and watch new roots grow in a couple weeks. Free plants. Plant number 4 is Monstera, also known as the Swiss cheese plant. And here's the tea for 2026. The Thai constellation variety, which used to cost hundreds of dollars, is finally becoming affordable. You can now snag one for under $100. This variety has massive, split leaves with creamy speckles that look absolutely incredible. Despite its exotic look, it's surprisingly chill. It needs bright, indirect light and a stake to climb as it grows. Those iconic holes, called fenestrations, develop as the plant matures to allow light to shine on the lower parts of the plant. Just make sure you have enough floor space. This plant gets big. Water it when the top 2 to 4 inches of soil is dry, and drench it thoroughly, mimicking a heavy rain. And finally, plant number 5, the ZZ plant. Specifically, the raven variety. This thing is trending huge right now because its leaves mature to a dramatic, glossy black that fits perfectly with the moody maximalism vibe everyone's loving. If your apartment has zero natural light, this plant is your new best friend. It essentially laughs in the face of darkness. It has potato-like rhizomes that store water, meaning it can survive for weeks, sometimes months, without water. It's a total set-it-and-forget-it situation. Just keep it away from pets. It is toxic if they ingest it. But honestly, this might be the most forgiving plant on this list. Perfect for anyone who wants greenery but doesn't want the stress of constant care. So let's recap. Your 5 viral plants for 2026. If you want drama and high-end vibes, go with the fiddle leaf fig. For a bedroom, snake plant releases oxygen at night. For shelves and hanging spaces, pothose is your best friend. For tropical style, Monstera is unbeatable. And for the absolute lowest maintenance, ZZ plant all the way. Which of these plants is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're adding to your 2026 plant collection. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more home decor content, and I'll see you in the next one.